Hello everyone, this is Hoda Ganji, and in this video I'm going to create a roof soffit. I'm going to create a material and I'm going to tag it. So in Revit, this is a project that I have already. If I put this on hidden line for a second, this is the gutter, this is the fascia, and over here is where I want to put a soffit. I have already put a soffit here, so I'm going to erase it and create a new one. So how does it work? If I show you here again, I'm gonna have a soffit at the bottom here and I'm gonna see it from outside, okay? I'm gonna go with 25 millimeters, which is almost 1 inch for the thickness, and I'm gonna offset it towards the bottom of the roof plate. So I'll go to my top of roof plate. I'm gonna go with architecture roof soffit. I'm gonna go with edit type. I have one here, so I just go with duplicate. Maybe I'll name it generic 25 millimeters. And in the edit menu, you can change the thickness to 25. From here, my units are in millimeters, and you can create a material. I'm just going to create a new soffit material. I'm going to name it roof soffit. How do you create material? If it's a custom material and I'm going to use this image, I'm going to go to image. I'm going to select my image. In graphics, I want to say use render appearance under identity. For the material tag, I should add description here. I'm going to add roof soffit. This all looks good. Hit tab, hit OK, and hit OK, and hit OK. Now I can pick the walls like this. It's going to pick the exterior edge of the wall. I can trim those edges. Trim here, trim here. This side needs to be on the outside, so I want to go with AL. I want to align it to the exterior side of the wall. Then I'm going to go with pick lines, and I want to pick the edges of the roof. I'm going to check this box, look at it on section. If I put it on wireframe, you see that it jumped up because the height offset from level is 0. I want to assign minus the thickness of the soffit, which is minus 25 millimeters. I want to assign this. So it's going to jump down here. This is where I have my roof, I have my gutter, I have my fascia, and now I have my soffit. I can show you on 3D. If I put this on realistic, that part is the gutter, this is the fascia, and this here is my soffit. Right. Now for the material, let's say I want the edge to match with this edge of the wall. How do I do that? I'll go with manage material. I'm gonna go with appearance. I'll go to my edit image, right? You can check the sample size here. Let's say if your material is a little bit wider, each of the numbers. This is now considering that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 9 of these have a thickness of 0.4 millimeters. So for instance, if I put this on 400, and 400 here, now it's gonna, if I hit apply, it's gonna be a little bit wider. I also want to match this part to the edge of the wall. That would be easier. So I want to go back to my edit image, and for the offset, I think it should be on the Y side. I'm gonna try 10 millimeters first. Hit done, hit apply. Now it's much better. It's actually good. So I'm gonna leave this on 10 millimeters. So it starts from here. This is gonna make your exterior renders much more beautiful. Now in the section, I want to show you how you can tag the soffit. Maybe I can put this on realistic too, or on shaded or something. I want to go with TG for the tag, get the soffit, and it's asking me to load a tag for soffit. Usually the tags are under annotation folder. If you don't find it here, I'm underline soffit tag, which there is no such thing. And if you don't find it under architectural, it means that Revit does not have that tag. How do you create it? You'll tag something else first. Let's say I want to tag this wall. Tag the wall, right? Now if I assign any type to the wall here, let's say type mark wall A, it's gonna read the tag over there. Now I want to go to this edit family for the wall tag. I know it's a wall tag. I'll take a save as. I'll go with save as. I'll name it as Soffit tag. Okay, with only one backup somewhere that you want, you can save it. I'll hit save. I have the typo actually, it should have been Soffit tag. Now you can go to family category and parameters. Instead of this type of tag, which is a wall tag, I want to look for Soffit. And you see that we have roof Soffit tag. Hit OK. So now it knows this tag as a roof Soffit tag, which is good. What is it going to read? It's going to read the label for type mark. That looks good to me. I want to hit tab here. I prefer not to see this rectangle, so I want to go with invisible lines. Load this into project. Now if I go with TG, tag the Soffit here, now it knows this tag, right? I can add an elbow here. I can move this a little bit down. What is it going to read? It's going to read the type mark, so I should go to edit type. And to the type mark, maybe I can say this is my Soffit A, if you have different soffits. If you want the text to fit in one line, go to the tag, drag this little circle outside here so we have more room, load into project, override the existing, right? Same with, let's say, fascia. If you want to go with TG, annotate tag by category, shortcut is TG, tag the fascia. There is no fascia tag in Revit. You can always check. If there is any, it's going to be under annotate, whether directly here where I don't see, or under architectural or structural where I could not find either. So again, you go to any tag, you make a save as. I'm gonna save it as my fascia tag with one backup only. Then you go to family category and parameter, you'll go to the fascia from here, or you can search up there. It's gonna know this now as a fascia tag. Load into project. In the section now, if I hit TG, I can tag this fascia. And right now it's reading the type mark. You can always change the label if you want to read mark instead of type mark, but type mark looks good to me. If I go to the edit type of the fascia, I can say maybe this is my fascia A, or fascia, I know this is fascia 1.5 by 6. Those are in inches. If you have different fascias, you can mark each of them like that. So that's how you can create any tag for anything that Revit doesn't automatically have it. That's it for this video. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe for more videos.